What is up, K and Q for life? We're about to learn how to make slime.
I'm using food coloring,
Tide,
and glue,
and glue.
and Downy.
No, you don't use Downy.
Oh, you do Downy. I use Downy.
Alright, I made it one before.
But I can't see my toes.
Oh, how you supposed to see this in?
Yeah.
I put.
I see that.
We gonna put some glue in it. We gonna put some glue in it.
But you can't see hers.
Can you put some glue?
Wait.
Alright, so you're gonna make thick slime. We're gonna put a lot of glue.
Yeah, we're gonna put a lot of glue.
Well, not
A lot of glue.
A lot of glue. And then what you want to do is if you don't know how to make it, you can use a spoon too. Or you can use these sticks and you just put Tide in it. And we just like mix it and stuff. Mix it.
Oh, you gonna see yourself?
I don't want myself in there on my hands.
Alright, so you mix it.
She gonna mix it, guys. She gonna mix it. Just mix it. It has to get like when it's done, it's gonna look like this, like that. So like what I do on my slime, after I do it, I washed all the soap off, and that's how I get my slime to look like.
You didn't do that for so much?
You can add more glue. It's gonna turn into slime anyways.
Suck it.
Maybe you're best off using this.
Yeah, sure.
Because you gotta pick it up and start squeezing it together. Well, I don't know how to do the food coloring, so.
I do.
I just pour it on there, right?
Oh, yeah, pour it. Make color.
Okay, so they're gonna do theirs, I'm gonna do mine. So I'm already done with mine.
So this is how we're gonna make a slime. We're gonna be having more videos with slime. So if you want us to do more videos doing slime, comment below. If you want
to do about if you do food coloring, you must use a glove.
Oh yeah, if y'all want to do food coloring like this,
you must use a glove.
If the food coloring, you have to wear gloves because it gets on your hands and it gets hard to take off. So we're using gloves for the food coloring.
No matter how many times you take a shower,
it is not gonna work.
It's not gonna work.
You must wear gloves.
So we have pair of gloves. We have pair of gloves, so we can with this food coloring.
It's like different colors. It's green.
We got red, green,
and blue,
yellow.
That's why we did urine.
Oh,
that was the same color.
This is a darker red,
and we got blue.
Light red. Because of it, it's under the box. I'm sorry, guys.
Red,
yellow, you got 2 green and
blue.
Yeah.
So this one is
wait, I want another one. Oh yeah.
So it's purple, pretty purple. So I guess the one she.
Yo, why you mad? Go to these mad.
I'll put a little bit down.
Oh, put some mine. No, I want to.
All right, guys, hold on.
So I guess the one she took.
Oh, Liz made hers. Look.
I guess this one right here is like
put a little more.
The red.
A little down. That's a little one.
The dark.
So I put this in my slime.
So
I'm not making mine. No, I put my thing in there.
No, play with it first to make sure it's time for you color it.
Yeah, because you can't.
Because if it's actually fell, then you don't know if you got to roll over. Alright, for me, it took me like, how many times? It took me like 3 or 4 times.
3 or 4 times.
I used all of the first glue by myself. And I know how to make slime too. It just that I'm missing Tide. I only do it again.
Oh well, I'm gonna do it one out. I made this one earlier for my first try. It's kind of, you know. Ugh. But it messed up though because it got stuck on the thing.
What are you doing?
Let me take the glove off. Ooh, take it?
Yes.
Why?
How you doing? You supposed to squeeze open?
Not really.
I don't want to get this to myself.
Okay, so I'm just playing with it to make sure it's actually slime.
Oh.
Wait, guys.
We just play with it.
I'm gonna show you guys how mine look after I color it, full color. Ready? Let's see how it looks.
They're kind of slimy.
Oh, it's slimy. It's a slime. Yeah.
Oh look.
Make it one's red and blue.
Alright. Mine not done.
Hey, I can't.
I want to mix mine with blue. Oh, food cook on a plate?
I don't know. Everybody will.
Alright, I'll put food color on mine. Mine's nice. I'll mix it.
Oh my god.
Different color. It's stuck on your hand. Can we wash it?
Yeah.
I could wash it for you. Yo, I don't want it to get stuck on my hands. That's why you should have left it when it was like that, like Tamara. So you could have washed it like that and turned it to slime like that. Let me see. Oh, crap. I don't want it to get stuck on my hand. Put it outside the door. Alright, I'm gonna go wash hers. Because I need to wash. Dead. That's how mine was.
Alright, so she's gonna wash the slime. So I'm not gonna show you that part, so.
Oh yeah, and also you could also wash it too. If it's really, really sticky like this, you can also wash it too.
Yeah, you can.
How am I supposed to wash this? How am I supposed to wash this?
I just stop slime
Alright,
in my hand.
I'm gonna wash it with some water. All the soap goes.
I'm playing with mine, so I really don't care about y'all.
Alright guys, look. So hers is red. My sister's hers is red. You see?
She had the red food coloring, guys.
Yeah, she had the right food coloring. This one. So here. But
alright guys, so as I'm playing with it, it is getting formed into slime. So I'm gonna keep playing with it.
We're gonna do another part too, but we're gonna buy the big glue. Yeah. We're gonna buy the big Elmo's glue.
We're using the small one.
You're using the Elmo's glue? Look. That's who we're using this one. Use a small one because we don't have staples over here like that. But the next time we're gonna do that one. And plus, oh guys, the house tour
is coming soon.
It's coming. We just got to update.
We told you want to keep it fun with the updates, guys, because we're gonna do a house tour. So get ready. Alright, guys. This is
like a puppy right here.
Guys, this is how my slime come out looking like. Look. My slime. You see it?
This is hers is kind of squishy.
Alright.
I did hers, but what's a wash?
Let me do yours? Alright, guys. She's gonna play with my slime to make it less sticky. I'm gonna put it on her plate for right now. I'm sorry, guys. It's stuck to my hand. Okay, wait.
It's kind of an epic fail.
It's not epic fail.
No, we need the real one. The real slime.
Alright, guys. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna play with her slime to get like how mine was.
Okay, thank you.
So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep playing with it. But that's what y'all gotta do. Y'all gotta keep playing with it until it gets like a form of a thick slime, not like sticky.
That's how we'll do the one with the Borax.
Same again?
You can use Borax.
Slime over your arm.
I do?
Yeah.
You can use Borax for the Borax shaving cream.
Oh yeah.
You can use
we only have detergent.
My eye drops over here. Eye solution.
We only have detergent. Let's use contact solution. We only have detergent and glue, so we really can't do anything.
So this is us. This is her.
Guys, this is her. This is what I'm working with right now.
We should have made a big slime.
Yeah, we need more glue. Yeah, about tons of glue.
Oh yeah, about you make this one.
My slime is done already.
So I'm playing with it, guys, and it's coming out good so far. If you as you see, we show you slime.
Wait, don't with me. Huh? Huh? Whose side? Alright guys, so yeah. It's built?
No.
It's built?
No.
Alright guys, her slime is coming out perfect. See? As I'm playing with it and see, it's coming out.
Want to put full color on yours?
Yeah. No, I'll put it right there.
What color you want? Blue?
Hold on, wait.
I might use this.
Yeah, I'm putting mine
The
in
top.
Guys, her slime is coming out perfect. Because I'm playing with it. That's what you gotta do, guys. Just keep playing with it. Roll it into a ball, play with it. until it gets sticky.
If you want us to do more slime videos, this is our first one, so this but comment below what you think about this video, and if you want us to do more slime videos, just comment below and let us know.
Well, we're not gonna show you the results of the slime.
Yeah, I'll show you my result. Yo, you're looking at purple. Wait, red, blue? Wait, purple.
Red, blue, purple.
Why you put yellow?
Yellow
look right.
Yeah, that's how they put it.
Then we had CNA class.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we ain't talking about CNA class. That's what they make to make the urine.
Yeah, for CNA they use this. The urine. So. It's like practice when you took CNA. What? We ain't taking that shit no more. You done.
Look at my slime.
My arm hurt.
She got a cup. Make some rainbow.
I got a rainbow.
I'm sorry, guys. My
slime.
arm is hurting with her slime. Even though it gets stuck to my hand still.
It's yours?
Yeah, my old one.
I'm using it.
That's my first one.
I have it.
I'm mixing it with my other one.
I have it.
Mix it with my other one.
I'm gonna take it out.
She's gonna mix my old slime that I showed y'all with my new slime that I made. So.
Can I put food color in it? What color you want?
She's gonna put food color in mine now. While I'm keep playing with hers, making hers unsticky.
Red?
Sure. It doesn't matter what color it is.
Oh, it's yellow. Red and blue? Make purple. Huh? Okay. So I'm gonna use this color and this color. It's gonna combine to purple. So here we go. Put one drop. Okay.
Hers are kind of weird, guys. I'm sorry that you still see me playing with her slime, trying to get it. And she did not wear gloves to do the food coloring, guys. Always wear gloves, guys, because it gets stuck in your hand, guys. So wear gloves, please.
I'm in the house. I can take it off. You can take food coloring.
But it'd be hard like that. Take days to take off, I think. Not mistaken.
Okay. So I'm using red for this. Let's use another drop. Oh, guys! So comment below if you want to do science experiments. Science experiments.
Alright, guys. This is what I'm gonna do. I have a little bit of detergent on my plate, so I'm gonna keep adding like a little dab of the detergent.
This is how hers came
on
out.
Hers, if you see. Like, you see her slime. I have like a little, you can't really see the plate, but I have like a little detergent on my hand. I'm gonna put it on her slime, and I'm gonna keep rubbing it in. Cause it's like getting.
Yeah, really big one.
Alright, so mine became purple.
Hers came fully purple.
I'm using gloves. I don't want my hands to get stuck to it. What are we gonna use it? Put it in my mouth.
I got some in my hand.
Good morning. I got some inside of my hand.
That's mine. They doing mine, but I'm doing hers still.
Oh, that was Liz.
This is hers right here in my hand.
What? I wasn't done.
Oh, you green?
Yeah.
Put green yours?
No.
So y'all really mess up my slime?
No, it's gonna turn to different. It's gonna turn to a whole new color.
Oh, yeah.
Mine turns to purple slime. I'm putting glitter on it. Y'all want glitter on that slime?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can put glitter too, guys.
Yeah, you can, like they got the Elmer's glitter glue. It's in Target.
Back to color. We went back in the bowl, so take back to red and green, red and blue.
Her thing. Look at hers. It actually came purple.
If your slime don't stretch, that means it's not slime.
Yeah, if it don't stretch, it's not slime.
If it breaks, it's not slime. What glitter, mommy? Want to make another one?
No, I'm trying to fix it. I could fix it.
Wash it now. You can wash it like that.
I know how to do it.
I'll wash it.
So hers is
Want to make it with Play-Doh?
Purple. If yours don't do like this, it's not slime. It's not slime. If we don't do, it's gonna stretch.
And if it don't make those pop sounds when you have it on the table. Take my gloves off. Mommy had it on her hands. It doesn't have more color in it.
Guys, hers turned out okay. But I'm still gonna play with it.
Look what?
If you hear that pop sound just now, that's how you know that it's slime.
Put it all together.
I'm trying to.
I'll make another one.
I'm gonna make another one too.
I need another one. Y'all sharing one. I don't have one.
Let's make another one. Come on.
I'm making one more.
We got enough glue.
No, we don't. Mommy go buy more glue. I'm gonna make last. I'll make one. You can make it on the bowl. I need to make it inside the plate, so it's gonna change colors. I need to make it on my bowl. It's gonna change colors already. I'm gonna make another one, guys.
Be quiet.
I'm gonna use the rest of it. Make the last one. You can share this one if I make it good. So I said you put wood in this, hope all the wood come out. I never heard of that.
Put it here.
I don't know what's wrong with yours.
Cause she didn't do it when it was slimier. Remember, they said when it was like they put out more detergent.
Give me.
I have detergent right here.
So give me one.
No, it could turn slime still.
Yeah, I'm making it turn to slime. See?
Where's those glue sticks? What's the sticks?
With what? These?
No, it's the whole package.
On the floor.
I thought I showed them that too.
Yeah, I showed them already.
You did?
Yeah. I think you use sticks. I didn't show it in the beginning, but I showed you could use sticks.
Let's use sticks.
You need one?
No, I just want to show you.
It's gonna turn into small slime. Look.
But guys, you could either use this. This one right here. We're gonna use this one, but
wait, you play with it like this, right?
Yeah. We use a tie.
And we use glue, and we use sticks.
We use this tie.
Yeah. That's not slime. Epic fail.
You got gloves. When you put food coloring in this, you have to use this. Cause you don't want my shit here. Look how my hands are. That's how my hands get. But y'all want to end this video now?
We can still do it.
But like I said, guys, if you have if you want us to do more slime videos, if you have requests for us to do more slime videos, just make sure you comment below. And for the people that subscribe to our channel, thank you guys for being supporters.
Yeah.
And we appreciate you guys for helping us grow our channel. And we got more to come. So, and I just received an email from YouTube, like around 8 this morning. So, but it is now 2:21 p.m. Where I'm at?
We live in North Carolina.
No. But comment below what challenges you want to do. What challenges you want to try. We already did another challenge. We already did a challenge yesterday.
We were supposed to do this yesterday with the other one, but we decided to do it today.
Because we didn't go outside to get the glue. To store the glue.
We went everything today, so we decided to do it today when we got it. To show you how to mix.
Why are you licking my finger?
But guys, so like I said, guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you're new to our channel, welcome to our channel. If you did not subscribe to our channel, make sure you guys go subscribe and hit that and turn your notification bell. And what else about to say? And help come with us on our journey, so you can see what we do.
Like I said, we posting a lot more.
We're gonna try to post a lot more because we're about to move too. So we're definitely posting. Definitely posting.
We might not post the day of. We might post a little bit of the day of moving, but
the laptop probably be packed. No, I doubt it. It's not gonna be packed. But guys.
Alright, guys. This is what her slimes. I said
Who's
guys?
guys?
I said guys.
This says skies.
Alright, guys. This is what her slimes.
Y'all didn't eat this?
Turn out to be.
Y'all didn't eat this?
It's getting slimy again.
Hurry up.
Can you move those fingers?
Huh?
Can you move
Oh, we went to 20 minutes. Oh, yeah, longer.
That's good. That's
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so y'all want to see our dog? You saw, y'all, I know y'all saw her in the other video. Huh?
Yeah.
I know y'all saw her in the other video, but look who it is. Look who it is.
Say hi.
Say hi, Tinker. Look.
In the other video, you must hear her barking. Because she don't like certain people.
Why are you thinking I'm speaking? Look. Say hi.
After all my tries, my success.
See, this is her little outfit, but you should have saw her little Easter outfit.
I be felt.
She's her Easter outfit.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you a picture of her Easter outfit.
I'm putting my time in here.
It was so
What's
good.
the top?
Oh my god, guys! You got email from YouTube? Look. Our email from YouTube. Yes. And for you, shout out to YouTube creator for sending me YouTube email. But look, this is my door. This is our door for Easter. Look at her outfit for Easter. Look at that. Easter.
No, you wet it.
I got it. It's on my gut.
Scream
You wet it or the soap comes out.
This one again. How cute, so big her. Good Tinker. But guys, what? How's this purple?
It's black.
Look,
It's gray.
purple. But she's still doing mine. But we're
Let's get in there, guys.
we're about to end this video. But thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next vlog. So bye.